Is it possible to register a UK company for my foreign business without a physical presence? Well, yes. The UK government allows non-UK residents to register a limited company in the UK, and the process can be completed entirely online. However, you will need to provide a registered office address in the UK, which can be the address of a company formation agent or a virtual office provider. You will also need to appoint at least one director, and the director must be a natural person over the age of 16. Additionally, you will need to provide personal details of the directors and shareholders, such as their names, addresses, and dates of birth. It is worth noting that if you do not have a UK bank account, you may face difficulties in opening a business bank account. Some UK banks require you to have a UK address and may require you to visit a branch in person to open an account. However, there are some UK banks that offer online account opening for non-UK residents. Overall, while a physical presence is not required, you will need to take into account the various legal and practical requirements to register a UK company from abroad. It may be helpful to seek advice from a company formation agent or a lawyer who specializes in UK company registration.